Today I'm building a secret room in my house. I'm gonna find some hollow spots, do this, get some snacks, and go to the store. If you do anything, like, comment, and follow on this video. If you watch this, you gotta see. I need to find the hollow spot. Okay guys, I only found this room. It's kind of, I can't notice how bad it's the whole thing. Now top team. Now third team. At the boundary. Side day outside. Stay quiet. Be in the lookout. If you ever watch this video, like, follow, and subscribe on this video. Need me? Like, follow me, and comment, subscribe, like this video, and share what's your favorite video, no? Okay, team. 2, 1. Time's up. And where's my $1 million? You don't get $1 million. What? Oh, you said this whole day we are building secret rooms for nothing? Okay. See ya, J team.